P&J Productions present a compilation of pawing. Oi! P&J Productions present a compilation of pawing.
Where is it that?
And that's it.
More important than anything else, really, for Liverpool. Absolutely, and when John Everton first half especially played well, and shouldn't have been behind in the game. But Liverpool did some good things from a creative point of view. They weren't great defensively; it was a bit chaotic at times. They were all over the place defensively, but from a creative aspect and a footballing perspective, they played better.
Taking part in a regular time trial event.
He just came across it minutes after.
Yeah, okay. With no evidence found on the roads so far, there are signs of disturbance along the verge. Start to get.
And you can also see that there's a lot of damage and kind of force that has been applied to this brake disc, causing it to be warped out of position. And you've also got, this is the remnants of the wheel itself. It's been sort of broken into pieces, and that's also been compressed and is effectively fractured because it's been put under so much force.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the fingerprint lab.
That's me. Who are you?
Patrick Dean, any luck with the curious case of the Triceratops rib?
Look, I don't know.
Football ground is. That used to be Weymouth Colliery, Weymouth Pit, and that pathway there would have taken you up to the colliery. There's a lot of redevelopment getting done at the stadium. So this is all going to open up at some point, like a nice new pathway coming down. I'll bring it back when we're running into the old Kate Bush and heading.
Of all the active shafts at Val Reefs, shaft number 2 was one of the most productive. It plunged to a depth of around 2,100 meters or 7,000 feet below the surface, and was mined 24 hours a day by miners working shifts of up to 10 hours at a time. To transport miners to the level where they would work on any given day, a system of trains and lifts was in place that could carry people and goods in large numbers around.
I will make everything perfect again. I know you are here, and I will find you.
Ginger pube in his mouth again, guys. Sorry, you know who's to blame for that little Mick. Did you watch me last video? If you didn't, guys, honestly, go back and watch it. My last captain video, a little Mick talking about ginger pubes. Out on a serious stealth cam. Right.
Some of them in training at West Yorkshire, please.
Do not come to us,
Sake.
send this dog to the stand. Stop it.
Go on, send her! They're the canine colleagues who can bring down a criminal in seconds. They're also faithful companions who live with their police trainers and do exactly what they say.
Yeah, that's nice. Off duty, she's a totally different dog. She's a really loving dog, very sensitive.
Mally the Malinois does much more than chase down criminals. She's found innocent people and
Getting in,
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.